Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet Plus 4130. Simply multitasking, essential home printing. This is all-in-one printer, meaning it handles printing, copying, and scanning in one compact device. It is designed for students, home offices, and families who need reliable, basic printing without the fuss. One of the biggest features is wireless connectivity. You can print directly from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet using HP app or HP Smart app. It also supports Apple AirPrint and Google Cloud Print, making it super versatile. Another thing to note is this printer comes with HP Plus, a smart printing system. It enables features like instant ink, a subscription service. It also comes with enhanced security. HP Plus requires an active internet connection and HP account. Most importantly, once you activate it, you are committed to using it, but it's not compulsory. This is a key decision point. Now, in terms of performance, HP rates it at a speed up to 10 prints per minute for black and 7 prints per minute for color. That is perfectly fine for essay, report, and occasional photo printing. It uses ink cartridges 67 in the US or other countries. Perfect for casual users, students printing assignments, parents printing school forms, or home office printing a few documents a week. A capable space-saving printer. It might not be for everyone if you need high volume user printing dozens of pages every single day, if you prefer to use off-brand or refilled ink cartridges, and if you don't have reliable internet connection. We're going to unbox this printer and check it out and see what is inside. This is information pack. Ink cartridges, black and triple color. Power cable. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. So the ink cartridge goes over here. The holder will move and position itself to the center. The color goes to the left and black goes to the right. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the rear paper tray. And the power cable goes in here. The USB cable goes to this port. So connect the cable, push it in. Plug it onto the socket. To the power. This printer, you switch this printer on and off from this button. This button is for you to copy black. This button is for you to copy color. This button is Wi-Fi button. This button is information button. This button is resume. And this button is cancel. And this is LCD screen. So you switch the printer on and off from this button. You see the light. Inside the screen, you will see two lines, two gauges. One is for colored. The right one is for black ink cartridges. And also it's showing us 0 and the Wi-Fi light is highlighting. And see the Wi-Fi light is highlighting. This printer is in a wireless mode. If the light is steady, it means that it's connected to Wi-Fi network. This printer can connect to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. So this is the unboxing and overview. Thank you.